Hello friends, welcome to Eleven Technos. So in this tutorial, you will learn how to convert Word to PDF step by step using C# window forms. So watch this video fully for clear understanding. Now we will move to video. So C# provides many options for conversion of Word to PDF. So in this example, I will convert Word to PDF using the third party DLL called Aspose.words. So this is a famous and reliable one. Okay, so now we will see the theory tools and requirement. So for implementing this, we need to use third party library Aspose.words, and used IDE is Visual Studio 2022, and used .NET framework is 4.7.2, and GUI framework is Window Forms, and language is C#. And this is the basic steps for conversion of the Word to PDF. So first you need to install Aspose.words namespace for C#.NET. So this can be done using the NuGet package manager through the internet access, or manually you can download and add the namespace to your project. And steps 2, once the installation is over, the next step is to add this installed Aspose to your current Visual Studio project. And third one is create a window forms with the necessary widgets and proper event handler, and call the save method of Aspose.words for the conversion of Word to PDF, and finally get the resultant document as a PDF. So this is the basic steps for conversion of Word to PDF, and this is the expected result. So Word to PDF. So now we will go to see the demo like this. So after that, this is the required namespace. So once the namespaces are installed, then you need to import the namespace using the keyword Aspose.words, because this namespace provides a necessary environment for conversion of Word to PDF. So this namespace can be installed NuGet package manager automatically through the internet access. So I will show the demo one by one. After that, required class for Aspose, because Aspose provides necessary classes and methods for conversion of Word to PDF easily. So first important class is document. This is a complete class. So object can be created using the new modifier, and through this constructor we need to set the input to Word document to file. So this is a sample syntax. So document object new, then constructor of the document, and this takes one argument. This is the input path of your Word document. So where is actually optional, it is a reserved verb, so which is used to create a local type based variable, that is a dynamic type based variable. And important methods for this conversion is save method, because it is a crucial method of the document class of the Aspose.namespace. So this method just convert Word to PDF file and save the resultant file in the target location specified by the user. So this method takes one argument. The argument is your path of your PDF file. So other required widgets of this C# window forms. So for designing Word to PDF, so you can see the following types of widgets. One is button, second one is a text box, third one is a file dialog, fourth one is a message box, and fifth one is a process. So button is this class just to create a button class, and also it is used for setting the action click event handler. And next one is a text box. So it is used to create a single line or multi-line text box. So here it is used to display the selected file path of the Word document. So important property is a text, so to set or get the content of the text box. And third one is a file dialog. So if you want to select your Word document visually, then you can use open file dialog option. So important property is the file name. So using this property we can get the full path of the selected Word document. Then fourth one is a message box. So this is used to show the alert message box. Important methods for this class is show method. It is a static method. It is used to display the message box. Then fifth one is a process class. Actually it is an optional class. If you want you can use, otherwise you can leave this one. But why I am using process class means, if you want to show the PDF file programmatically, that is automatically, means you can use a process class. So it is used to start external applications or built-in files like Word document, Notepad, PDF files, or any other file you want to open, you can use a process class. So it supports one static method, that is a start method. It takes 1 plus more argument. So this method is mainly used to start the external file or applications in C#. So to implement this class, you need to import this namespace using system.diagnostics. So this is the theory point for implementation of this Word to PDF conversion. Now I will show the demo one by one, so please watch the video. So our target ID is Visual Studio 2022. So this is the homepage of Visual Studio 2022. So select create a new project option. So next one is a project type selection. So our project type is a Window Forms .NET Framework, C#, then desktop application. So select this one on right hand side. So click next, and this is a project name. So it's to PDF, and this is a location. If you want, you can change. And next one is a solution name, and next one is a target framework 4.7.2, or given is a 4.8. So you can use any one. Then click create button. So wait a few seconds. So Visual Studio is a best ID for C#.NET. So through this ID you can easily learn all the concepts of C#, because this ID automatically provides a code hint for all the concepts. So this is a window form project. So one project is successfully created. First we need to install the Aspose.namespace, because this application depends on the third party DLL. So just select your current project and then select manage NuGet packages. So just click this. Okay, then select a browse tab and then enter the search box. Just type Aspose. After that, just enter. So during this step, internet is mainly required to install this package. So select Aspose.words, this one, and then right hand side you can see the install button. Just click install. So in the bottom side you can show the progress. So just click I accept. Now successfully the package, the library is installed on your current project. Now this library is ready to use. So wait a few seconds. So uninstall. Okay. Now the namespace is ready. So our next step is to design the application. So this is the basic form. Form is a root element. So you can see the necessary settings. So this is a caption of the form. So just select Word to PDF using C#. And you can change the background color. Click this and you can select any colors you want. So next one is add a layout. So I am using the panel layout. So you can use any one. For the title I am using the panel layout. Okay, so this is the properties for panel. So just change the background color white and border style, select a fixed style. Okay, then click save. Now add the label for showing the message. So just change the text property. Word to PDF and select the font settings. So here select the unit as a pixel and set the size 27, and for bold you can use a bold. And next you want to change a foreground color, click this option and then select. So converter. Now the title is ready. So next step is add another label. Select the Word document, Word. Font is 12 and decide the foreground color white. So next we need another layout, another widget called as a text box. So just drag and then expand. This is by default is a single line text box. So just click this button, we can select as a multi-line text box. So we can arrange it whatever you want. Then next one is add a button for event handler. So just drag the button and update the button properties. So for button, first change the content of the button, browse word, and change the font style 12 and bold. Now the button is ready. Also we need to set the name property for each widget, but if you want to use this widget if you want to use widgets in program, then we can set the name. For otherwise you need to set the name property. So just this is the name property. So just rename as a TB. Okay. The next one is add a final button. For button no need to set name property. Set the content of the button, convert to PDF. So foreground color white and font color 14, unit and bold. Then back color is red and border style flat style, select as a flat. Now the button is ready. Now the design is over. So the next step we need to set the event handler. So event handler can be set as automatically or manually. For automatic means for manual means here we need to set the event handler. For automatic means just double press the button 2 times. The ID will automatically set the event handler. So just write code for this one. Browse button. I can go back to design and then select this button. Just double press this button. ID will automatically select another button. Convert button event handler code. Okay. Now the design is over. Now we need to write a code. First we need to import the Aspose.words namespace. This is the step 1, and we need to write a code for the browse button code. That is, we need to write a code for this browse button. So just add a try catch. Try catch is actually optional, it is not a compulsory. System dot to catch the runtime errors. Okay, step 1 is create an object for the open file dialog. Create an object for open file dialog. So just call open file dialog FD. So this class is mainly used for selecting a Word file visually. That's why we need to call the open file dialog. And second one is a set the filter option. This is also optional. So this is done with the help of the filter property ms-verb followed by star.doc ms-verb star.docs. So we can filter only Word files, so that's why we need to set this filter, otherwise no need. This is actually optional. So next one is call this file dialog. So just to use the method, show dialog. So this is the instance method. So using object show dialog. So this method actually return dialog result. So in left hand side we can assign. So once the user select the file, we need to check whether user select the file or not. So that we need to use the if condition for the file selection. So if dr equal if the dr equal dialog result are okay means user conformly select the input file. If user cancel the file, it will return the dialog result are okay. So we want only dialog result are okay. So we can confirm the user surely selected the input file. Now the input file can be get with the help of the special property called as file name. Okay. So this file name can be displayed with the help of the text box. So display this file path, select a file path in the text box. So the name of text box is tb. So just use tb.text property. Text is a special property which is used to set or get the content. So now we need to set the content. So just use the tb.text and path. Now the code is over. Okay. Now the browse code is over. Next we need to write a code for convert button. So this is the convert button code. So just use a try catch. Okay, step 1 is just create an object for document class of the Aspose namespace. So just use var obj followed by new, then document. So document actually the document class may take a argument. So within the constructor we can attach the selected input path. The selected input path can be found using the text box or file dialog. So text box is actually global, so we can use the text box.text. Now the input file path is attached to the document class, Aspose document class. Then final step is convert the Word to PDF using save method. This is actually instance method. So just use object.save and then the target path. So I am saving the target path is a current folder. So result.pdf PDF. Okay, so here where is actually optional. This is mainly used to create a local type of dynamic variable. Otherwise you can create a document object. So where is optional one. Okay, now the step is over. After that, just using space system.io for file verification. Okay, so if you want to open the file programmatically, first we need to check whether the file is exist or not. Check resultant file exist or not using special method exist of the file class. So call file class and then call the static method exist and then select the file path. So this is the current path, so just copy this and just paste here. So this method returns true means we can confirm the file will be successfully saved. So we can use the alert message. So this may take two plus arguments. So first argument is your message, congrats. PDF file is saved successfully. Then second argument is a title, success. Okay, third argument is actually optional. Okay, then if you want to programmatically open, or if you want to open the resultant PDF file automatically, then use process class. Already told in the theory point. So to implement the process class, first import the special namespace system.diagnosis. That's all. So just call the process class and then just call the static method start and then just select your target file path. So our target file path is placed in the current folder result. That's all. This is actually an optional code. If you want, you can use. Otherwise, these two steps are over. Or file verification. Now we completed design and code. Now I will show the demo one by one. So before the demo, I will select the sample files. So here I have this much of sample files. Now I will run the file. So first select build options. Okay, file success. After the successful build, the next step is start without debugging or press Ctrl F9. So before to test this, I will open Word file, sample Word file. So this is a sample Word file. This is a sample Word file. Desktop, select Word documents and Python. Now convert. So now file is converted. So this is the final result. Okay, file is saved as a PDF. Okay. Now the Python polygon is also converted as a PDF. So this Aspose provides a better result for other. Actually, this we have implemented the trial version of Aspose.words. So if you want to remove this watermark or if you want to remove this unalignment, you can purchase the Pro versions. Okay, so if you purchase the Pro version, then you can remove the watermark and unalignment. So this is the final result of our document. So it will work on all the types of the Word document to PDF. Okay. So I hope this tutorial will be useful to you. So if you like this video, please like, subscribe our channel, and if you have any doubt, please mention in the comment box. Thank you.